Hi, I'm Pooja Lakshmi. This is the final presentation for OMSCS 6460 Educational Technology. This presentation is about my project Progress Report, a web based learning dashboard for OMSCS. The purpose of this project is to build a web based tool that supports and improves students' learning outcomes. The project is a student centric data visualization tool to gain insight into student progress in the course. The first objective is to collect data from various sources like Udacity, T Square, Piazza, and peer feedback, then organize the data to provide a comprehensible data structure. To build a data visualization dashboard to display student progress, the visual analytics will provide students the ability to understand their performance relative to the class. The Rails architecture provides a flexible interface to develop apps quickly. It has a model view controller architecture which is perfect for this web based data driven project. The Rails application can be easily integrated with local Postgres database. The Rails app can be easily deployed to a web host such as Heroku. The data for this project is provided by Dr. David Joyner. This project utilizes original anonymized data from knowledge based AI. The data is available from various resources such as Udacity, Piazza, and T Square. The T-square data is straightforward. It's a comma-separated file with scores from various assignments, projects, and exams. The Udacity data comprises of video and quiz completion information. The data was further tied to the course syllabus to further segregate the data on a weekly basis. This is the data model for the project. The app stores user information and course information, also course evaluation criteria. The data model currently uses only few information for the scope of the project. The Rails provide a flexible data model build that allows easy modification to the data structure. In order to populate the database, the data was extracted from various sources to satisfy information for the database. Piazza data provided the most challenge. The data was only available as an XML format. The data has to be carefully curated to be used for the project. Finally, the data is presented in a data viz dashboard format. It provides quick information on the student course, the time, and the week of the course. The course assessment graph shows what needs to be covered to perform well in the course. It allows quick overview of the course requirements and how much work is expected from the students. As the semester progresses, the course complete pie chart shows what has been completed and how much has been left. This is based on what the student has completed at the time of the week. The T-square grade shows that the student performed in the course. It shows the class and class course average to show relative performance. The most courses gives a lot of weightage for course participation in terms of watching Udacity videos, completing quizzes, participating in Piazza, and completing reviews on peer feedback. This graph shows for the student has performed relative to the week. The student can improve performance by adequately completing tasks. Here is a demo of the app. You can go to the web link to test the app. The sample login is sblack1 and the password is the same. Once logged in, Once logged in, the web page opens to display the student data in a easily understandable format. If you give a incorrect password, it tells you that the password is invalid or the username is invalid and lets you enter it again. Once the database opens, once the web page opens, it quickly shows student progress based on the data entered. This is pretty much the display of the dashboard, showing different charts. And there is a logout button to log out from the application. The authentication is encrypted by bcrypt. Limitations. It currently only supports pre-processed data. It is not real-time as external data needs to be fed. The course progress does not account for late submission. The application does not have an interface for batch data entry. Conclusion. The data extraction and interpretation of raw data is key to design a data model. The data dashboard design is critically dependent on data design. A good dashboard design is always hard to implement. Dashboard has been successfully implemented for this course. The source code is available as Git link, and the app is being hosted on the